pacing back and forth. Oh, I don't understand why you're standing right here. All your shots have scored. No, scratching at the scars.
Hi everybody, I'm so glad you clicked on this video. My name is Karen if you're new here, and if you're returning, y'all know you're my gems. I love you and welcome back. Guess what we have? Boxy. So I did a BoxyLuxe video the other night with a giveaway, and I'll put that link somewhere in here. And now I'm waiting on another Luxe, 2 premiums, and a base box. So I don't really know what I have here yet. It looks like I might have my other Luxe, 1 premium, and the base. So we might be doing one of each. I'm not sure yet. What should we start with? How about this one? Because I'm thinking, oh, it's wet. You can totally tell. I hope nothing is damaged. Oh, there's my eyelash. Had to cut them. There we go. Okay. All right, what was I saying? I hope nothing's wet because it's a pain in the butt. It takes forever for shipping nowadays. This is the regular Boxycharm. So this is the one that's $25 a month. Ooh. Okay. No card. Let's just take everything out and go through it. Put this over here. There wasn't even a black foam in there. What's that about? The first thing I see is a Touch and Soul palette. I'm assuming this is eyeshadow. Oh, is it? Oh, okay. These look cool. Now, I've never had one of these eyeshadow palettes. Oh, it's got an expiration date on the back. I like that. I like the feeling of the package. It's made in Taiwan. It was manufactured February 29th of this year, and it expires February 28th of 2023. Wow. Okay, I'm curious on what ingredients are in here that keeps it good for that long. But anyhow, I don't know if I'm going to keep this, and I'm not really sure. There was no package, no nothing, like if that's all just shadows. They're different sizes. Okay. Let's go back to the Allure Geller. I always see this brand a lot in TJ Maxx. Never really been excited about it, but this says, let me show you. Allure Geller Multitasking Eye, Lip, Cheek Palette, Cream to Powder Trio, Shades of Nude. Okay. Oh. So you got a coral shade here. No, wait a minute. This is waxy. So are they lip? All right. What did it say? Eye, lip, and cheeks. So you're supposed to be able to use them on your eyes. I'm assuming this one would be more for the eye. And your lips. It looks neat. I don't know. What do you guys think? Very possible. I might use that. I might try it. Again, don't know the value. All right, a Dr. Brandt product, a recovery sleep mask. I have one of these, so I'm going to put this aside for a giveaway. I like them. They're definitely hydrating if you've got dry skin. You definitely would love it. Okay, what do we have next? The Beauty Vault Lip Liner Trio. Ooh. Ooh. These are the 3 colors. Can you see? Okay. They're similar. However, and these gotta look like the creamy ones. Yeah. You got like a nude. That's like a brownish. This is a mixture of brown and red, it looks like, and this is more reddish. These are probably not colors that I would use, so I'm not going to play with them. Okay, put that back. And the last product I see in here, it's Kayla. Oh, is Probiotics Superfoods Tula Skincare Glow and Get It Cooling and Brightening Eye Balm. I think I got one of these already. Did I get one of these? No, I didn't. Okay, so this is cool. It's an eye balm, apply around the eye area, instant cooling and glow. Definitely interested in that. Whoa, what's that? Okay, so that's a topper. Let's put it on the back. Makes it soft. Doesn't really have a scent. So, I don't know. We'll have to try that. Give you updates. Okay, so now again, not sure which one this is. Let's find out. This is premium. Woo! Premium gave me a card. This is the $35 a month box. The first thing I see is that brush that I know is overpriced. All right, I'm going to take everything out and go over it with you. What is this? Okay, whoa. All right. Boxy Premium, there you go. Okay, so there's the Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. You guys have seen this, right? Let me open it just to show you. Is that a Kat Von D product? Yeah, it is. I'm excited to try this. I like anything with avocado in it. Avocado is very good for you. Glow Recipe is a great brand, so I am excited to try that. It's a little bit warm. It's probably on the truck today. Put that aside. Homegirl Cream Lipstick Studded Kiss. And that is a KVD product. I do feel like their products have changed since the company has been sold. Ooh, I like the way that lipstick is, though. Wait a minute. How do you open it? There we go. Nice and dark. I like that. That's not bad. It smells good. Definitely not my color, though. Would not work for me. Very cute packaging. Let's put that aside. Okay, we got a Skin & Company Sardinian. Please don't tell me there's I don't know. Lemongrass and Wild Orange, the Italian collection. It's a shower gel. Okay. I'm sure there's a safety seal. I'm not really sure about the scent. What do you guys think? Okay, that just came right off. Ooh, you could smell the lemongrass. I do like lemongrass, for sure. Definitely. All right. And then Kat Von D Inkwell Liner Long Wear Matte Eyeliner. Is this... I'm confused. Oh. It's cute packaging. Ooh, it's very liquidy. I don't know how I would like that tip. I'll have to figure that out or not. Of course, the $1 billion brush. This is probably for highlight. This is probably for contour. Cocoa Contour. Too Faced. Love Too Faced packaging. Look at that. Beautiful. Okay. Ooh. Ooh, I'm liking. See the mirror. You got your light highlight, medium highlight, deep highlight. That's this row here. Then you got your light contour, medium contour, and deep contour. I like that a lot. Okay. Very exciting. That wasn't a bad premium. The shower gel, you know, like the lip liners, I do like them, but I wish there were different colors. Like, I like getting them, I mean. Okay. Oh, allergies. Let me tell you what everything is worth. The Glow Recipe is $49. The Too Faced Cocoa Contour Palette, $44. The KVD studded whatever lipstick, $20. The KVD eyeliner, $20. The $1 Billion Brows, yeah. This brush here, it's a sculpting duo. Oh, it's for contour and highlight, yeah. $30? I don't think so. And then Skin and Company, the shower gel, $22 for shower gel? I don't know. What do you guys think? I want your thoughts down below. Okay, so we've got one more box to open. Do you think it's the Luxe? Do you think it's my other premium? It for sure is not my, another Boxy, the regular box. Let me put all these things in here. Which item do you like the best so far? Because I'm not sure how I feel about this. Guess I would have to use some of these products in order to give you a full opinion. Oh yeah, and people have been weighing their boxes. This one's heavy. I did not weigh them. If you guys want me to do that in the future, just let me know. Leave a comment down below. Okay, now, I know it feels like a Luxe. You know what that means? That means you get to see what's in my other, it's not, it's premium. Okay, I was just kidding. Just kidding. And there's a lot of different, okay. 2. Oh, what is that? What? No. Is there one of those in here? No. Okay. I might just be excited that I got 2 premiums. What? All right, shower gel. The, oh, lashes. What is this? I guess I should have told you the variations I got. This one's $35. Okay. It's like an energy drink for your face. Oh, this is the face mask? For real, like I thought it was a palette. Like, come on. It's like, did they send me a big palette? That would have just made my freaking day. All right. You know, sometimes I scare myself with scissors. Come on. Hi. You know what? These will work better. Okay. I just have to see why this is so heavy. And I'm sad it's not a palette. Urgh. That would be so cool if it was like a full-size palette of some sort. And the premium is the $35 a month box. Like, how heavy does a face mask need to be? Oh my god. Grace and Stella is the brand. Let me see. What is this worth? This huge... Oh, there's a lot of them in here. Holy crap. Anti-wrinkle energizing face mask. 6-pack. $25 for 6. Now, I've seen people get these. I'd have to try it. But I was excited about a palette. But you know what? If these work, can't really go wrong. Okay. So we know we got that. And I did tell you the value of it, which was $25. And I got Lashaholic lashes, which are usually pretty cool. $14.99. They're nice and regular. They're not like my other ones. These are more natural. But you could do for every day. Okay, all right. You already saw I got this in the first one, which was $49. This was a whole $22, which I do not understand. Let's open this palette and make sure that, you know. How come I didn't get a Tarte palette? Like, what's that about? Does someone want to trade? All right. Okay, so it is perfect. It is the exact same thing. Baddington? $90. Dude, shut up. No. Yeah, like, would you pay $90 for how many brushes? 2, and I think I've gotten these before. Or I got a 3-pack or something. And one's gotta be a powder brush. Yeah, and contour. Powder and contour. This one didn't even have a little... Oh yeah, it did. It just fell in there. Like, these better make me 10 years younger. What's that about? Alright guys, tell me what you thought of each one of these boxes. And then let me know if you want me to do a giveaway with the Too Faced Cocoa Contour and the avocado stuff and the shower gel, because I don't need it all, but I want to find out if you want that. So I guess I'm waiting on my other Luxe, and you guys know that I was giving you the choice of which Luxe to choose from, because I opened the other one and I'm doing a giveaway, and I was waiting for the other one to come in so this way you guys could choose which one you wanted. The winner could. So let me know if you want me to do another giveaway. If you do, I definitely will. And guess what? May's winner. Oh yes, I need to show you who won May's Boxycharm. So let's do that real quick.
Left on my skin. We fight and we fall and we rise through it all till we find what we want. Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you, lost in the moment. Lost in the moment.
I'm back. Kayla just had a seizure. Anyway, congratulations, Dana. Please get in touch with me. I'm going to look to see if you left me a way to get in touch with you. And I'm so excited. Congrats. You won May's Boxycharm. And I'll put a picture in here of what is all in May. And guys, let me know what you think of everything. Thank you so much for being here. You know I enjoy spending so much time with you guys. And check out my BoxyLuxe video if you haven't already. And I will see you guys real soon. Mwah! Bye!
Through it all till we find what we want. Then we lose it all again. Your touch on my skin, pull me close, take me in. Just me, just you.